Hello, dear students. Now let us understand about introduction to securities. So, what is securities? When studying about finance, securities, we can also say this as stock exchanges, that is stocks or derivatives or any kind of financial markets. We can also say bonds, commercial paper, treasury bills. All these are the securities. Okay, so let us understand the actual meaning of the securities now. So, securities are fungible and tradable financial instruments. Okay, so it is actually like, there is a concept called as capital market and a money market. Whatever, when some person, when any individual or in need of fund, he can able to easily, transfer his funds from one person to another person. That is tradable, exchangeable. Okay, and what will exchange in those cases? Securities. So instead of providing any products or transferring or trading any products or even cash, so the securities will be traded between the two parties. Again, what is the purpose of doing that? To raise the capital in both public as well as private markets. Obviously, the ultimate aim of doing all these things is to increase the monetary value of both the parties. That is the buyer and the seller. Next one. So, what are all the different types of securities? One is equity, second is debt, and third one is hybrids. Okay. So, equity is something that which actually provides the ownership rights to the shareholders. Whoever is acting as the equity shareholders, actually they're considered as the real owners. Okay. And when it comes to debt, so you are in a position to repay your loan with appropriate interest rate. That is, here it is mentioned as periodic payments. So 6 months once or yearly once. In those periodic periods, obviously, that loan payment with the interest has to be paid. Next one is hybrids. Hybrid is a combination of both equity as well as this debt. So securities can be in any form. It can be in the form of equity or debt or hybrid mode. Okay. Next one is, so actually it was under the act called as Securities Contracts Regulation Act, which was established in the year of 1956. Okay, so according to this act, securities, it also includes, we can say shares as securities, scrips as securities, stocks, bonds, debentures, anything we can say as securities, which is actually marketable, it is tradable, right? So tradable between companies, or any, other body corporates or even in government. Okay, so on the basis of return and the source of issue, two things that we will aim. One is we will be issuing, that is one part. Another one is we have to gain the return. Okay, so one is issuing part, another one is gaining the return. And this on the basis of return based securities, income based securities, two things, two classifications are there. One is fixed income, next one is variable income. Okay, so what is this fixed and variable income? So fixed income is something that, the income is actually stable. It is fixed. Okay, so we can say bonds as fixed income, debentures, preference. So no change in the income that what you are getting. Okay, during that periodic period, definitely you'll be getting these kinds of incomes. Okay, so probably government or semi-government, corporate, whoever, if they want to include in this, involving in this fixed income securities, definitely they can take part. And next is variable income securities, is something that, it varies from year to year. Okay, for the first year, it will be kind of, certain things, and second year, next year, the certain changes will be happen. That is what variable income securities. Probably we can say equity shares for this as a example. So these are all the different types of securities. Okay, and three major things that we keep in mind. One is equity based, debt based, and next one is hybrid based. Okay, so these are all the different kinds of securities. So general public, they can act in the stock market, securities market, money market, or even companies, or even government. Whoever is willing to take part, they have to raise their capital. Definitely, this securities will help them a lot. Thank you all.